Akashwani Shillong, which was inaugurated on 1st July 1948, has stepped into its 76th year of service today, thus completing the 75 years of its service to the people of the state. To commemorate the 75 years of broadcasting, a special function was organized at Akashwani Shillong. Esteemed artists from the state, including Lumajao and Silbi Pasar's dance troupes, performed at the function. Artists like Lumajao and Silbi Pasar have nurtured their talents in Akashwani Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, officers of different departments of Akashwani expressed their commitment to meet the demands of the people of Meghalaya in informing, educating and entertaining them while moving towards 100 years of journey in the next 25 years. All India Radio Shillong Guwahati was inaugurated at Shillong on 1st July 1948 by the then Governor of Assam, Sir Alwar Hyderabad, in the presence of the then Chief Minister of Assam, Gopinath Bordoloi. It was in the year 1969 that All India Radio Shillong became an independent station.